Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the jade plant. This is a succulent shrub and it's widely grown as an indoor plant around the world. This plant is also very low maintenance. Do you know this plant also has cultural significance? Such as this plant is known to give prosperity and wealth. Do you know this plant is often known as the money plant or the lucky plant? Alongside its cultural and symbolic importance, this plant also has environmental benefits, such as the jade plant is known to purify air. This also adds greenery and freshness to indoor environments and reduces stress. This plant is actually low maintenance and very easy to grow. So I'm going to be telling you some tips and tricks of this plant on how you can grow this plant very easily. As I told before, this plant is a succulent plant. That's why do not give this plant much water. Water regularly but avoid overwatering. Also make sure that you avoid watering on the leaves of this plant. Also make sure that you regularly trim your plants. Trimming makes our jade plant very bushy. Make sure to trim the stems which are falling towards the ground. This gives the plant a more tree-like shape. This plant also requires lots of direct sunlight. Try to give at least 6 to 7 hours of sunlight daily. Also try to keep this plant inside when the outside temperature is cold in winter season. Next, I'll be telling you about the soil. Actually, soil is very important for this plant as this is the succulent type plant. The ideal soil for this jade plant should be some sand and potting soil. Make sure that this soil is a well-draining soil as well. Also make sure that the pot you're planting this plant in has many drainage holes, so there's no water retention. Do you know these plants are very easy to propagate? Yes, while you're pruning, if you prune a hardy stem, then you can easily plant it into a soil. Then simply water it every day. If you wish to know a more detailed explanation of this, then make sure to check out our channel. We have uploaded a short as well as a long video on this if you wish to check that. Now let me tell you about the most important thing. For the most successful jade plant, make sure that you give good amount of manure. Mainly, my mom gives kitchen waste compost or tea leaf compost for the plant. Kitchen waste compost is actually the best manure. It has all kinds of micro and macro nutrients that your plant needs. Do you know a fun fact about this plant? Do you know some varieties of jade plants can bloom with small white or pink flowers? But only when they mature and kept in the right conditions. Do you know you can also grow this plant from a single leaf? Yes, it is super easy to propagate that way. But make sure that the leaf that you have chosen is a healthy leaf. And do you know according to Feng Shui, this plant attracts positive energy? Placing a jade plant near your home entrance or workplace is believed to attract wealth and success. Do you know another fun fact? Which is that this plant can live for 20 to 100 years. If you have any other questions about this plant, then make sure to let us know. We have also made many other videos about this plant, so if you wish to check those out, you can check them. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.